part 2 of this class. This has to do with the chapter 2. Okay, so there's also provision for personal assistance if you want us to help you out. Okay, now the master class and project writing steps and guide to write your chapter 2. Chapter 2 is a review of literature. You divide into 4 categories, right? Sorry for that. It's supposed to be 4 categories. Okay, we have the conceptual framework, theoretical framework, review of related empirical studies, and summary of the literature review. Now, in the conceptual framework, in this section, you are tasked to define all the concepts in your research topic. It should be quite in depth. Now, remember my formula. You need a model, right? When you go through that model, you see the extent of definition. How these people do the definition in your. Now, pay attention, because this is not a general rule like for every department and faculty, like I said. Okay, it is a model that determines exactly what your department wants, but it is almost the same thing for all departments, but it's just a little variation here and there, but it is practically almost the same thing, but just little variation, not absolute, right? The theoretical framework. In this section, you are tasked to outline that support your research work. Okay, the theories that support your research work. A quick Google search can help you identify suitable theories that your research topic is standing on. Okay, your Google is there. You can easily research and find out theoretical frameworks that are applicable to your research topic. Now, review of related empirical studies. In this section, you are tasked to get the work related to your research questions. Okay, uh when I say work, I mean case studies. Okay, a work that has been done, previous works that have been done. Okay, so example, if your research question has something to do with cognitive ability, then you review a work on cognitive ability. Okay, now a super hack is just for you to, when you get that work that has to do with cognitive ability, maybe a research question is asking something on cognitive ability. Now, when you search for a work on Google that has to do with cognitive ability, super hack, just go and copy their abstract and paste, copy and paste. That is it. And then you now tell them this thing is related to this thing because of it cover cognitive ability, blah blah blah. Do you understand? Do you understand? I mean that you just research your research questions is that's why it's called review of related empirical studies. What you are reviewing, the case studies you are reviewing, should be related to your research questions. If you don't understand, just watch this video again. Okay, it's your first time. I did not understand it first time. Okay, that is it. Just copy and paste the abstract like that, and then modify it. You are good to go. Now, summary of literature review. Now, your model should help you to have an idea of how to summarize them. Okay, your model should give you an idea on how to summarize them. Now, remember, you getting a model will help you a lot. Okay, so that you not allow your project supervisor to frustrate you unnecessarily. Okay, if you want us to help you handle your project, kindly call the number. And this is the end of part 2. So we're getting into chapter 3, chapter 4, and also chapter 5. Thank you very much. Now this video is very short, so that's why I need to go through it again. Okay.